70% frozen. Next thing I want to do is cut the collarbones off. Lift the little fin up here. Flip it. I make sure they're at least thawed out enough to where I can open the bellies up easily, but the center is still hard as a rock. As you can tell, the fish is frozen. Right on top of the spine right here. Put some elbow grease into it. Don't press down too hard like I did there. Cut through it a little bit. Cut up a little and correct it. Don't press too hard. Ride the spine all the way down. See? So I almost screwed it up. I cut through it right there. Cut the belly fin out. First couple of rib bones off. Sometimes the rib cage doesn't want to come off properly. That's okay. Rib cage on this fish is a little messed up anyway, but that's all right. Don't worry about the bruise. That happens sometimes. And that little bit of fin off of there. Now this side, some people have trouble with. That's fine. Just make sure you get all the ice out of there. Flip it. Put your knife on top of the spine again. Put your hand in front of the knife so that way the fish doesn't move anywhere. You put your hand over here, the fish is going to slide out. Just push. Angle your knife down into the spine, and it comes right off. You're going to make mistakes. That's okay. Get the little top bit of fin off. Trim that little bit. A little bit of belly fin off of there. First couple of bones in the rib cage. Last. Trim it. And done. But yeah, the reason why you'd ever want to fillet these half frozen like this is because salmon meat is real soft, especially after you thaw it out. So I wouldn't be able to handle these fillets like this if they were totally thawed out. It just wouldn't. It would be horrible for the fish. It would absolutely, completely break itself apart. What you dumb bitch. Stupid. Ты ищешь меня, как купон Макдональдс, ловить тебя.